In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your recent searches on eBay using their desktop site. Whether you've been browsing for some gift ideas or just window shopping, clearing your recent searches can help tidy up your browsing history, making your future searches smoother and more efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, make sure your web browser is open and you're on the eBay homepage. If you need to refresh your memory, the homepage is where you see the main eBay logo, and there's usually a banner showcasing current deals or highlighted product categories. You'll also see the search bar prominently displayed, typically found near the top of the page. Once you're on the eBay homepage, direct your attention to that search bar. In digital browsing, search bars are your gateway to finding exactly what you need amidst a sea of products. It's usually the text box where you type in keywords of the items you're looking for. There's something akin to a magnifying glass icon next to it, which you usually click to initiate your search. Now here's a pro tip. If you've made any recent searches, you'll notice a drop-down menu appear with a list of your recent search terms as soon as you click inside the search bar. This feature is handy for quickly revisiting past queries, but can sometimes clutter your interface if not managed regularly. So, after clicking the search bar, you should see a small option labeled Clear Recent Searches, usually located at the bottom of this drop-down list. Clicking this option will instantly clear out all those stored search terms, leaving you with a fresh and uncluttered search history. It's like giving your eBay browsing experience a nice reset, ensuring your past searches don't crowd your future explorations. Whether you shop frequently or occasionally, it's good to maintain your search bar clutter-free. Performing this action doesn't delete any of your saved searches or lists you've actively saved, so you'll still have access to those nifty finds you've bookmarked. This step merely removes the automatically populated recent search terms, keeping your searches organized and private. And there you have it. With just a few quick clicks, you've successfully cleared your recent searches on eBay, making way for a cleaner and more streamlined browsing experience. It's a little maintenance tip that goes a long way in enhancing your overall shopping efficiency. I hope you found this guide helpful as you continue to navigate eBay like a pro. If you have any questions,